of you. Okay, my name is Vibhushit Deb, and I'm a certified Cisco instructor, having 3+ years of experience as a network engineer in IT industry, and similarly providing training for Aviation Technoserve Private Limited. I'm also a Cisco certified Internet network expert, that is a CCNA, which is the highest level of certification provided by the #1 company in IT sector, Cisco. I would be basically taking your advanced networking module. Okay. So in the upcoming sessions, you will be like what getting to know what exactly are the things what you will be doing in the company in order to manage their network infrastructure. Okay. This network infrastructure management, this is what you are going to be learning with me in real time. Okay. So make sure that those of you who are having your laptop machines or desktop machines, okay, always you try to log in with your laptop or desktop machines because you will be doing projects with me. I will be doing projects, and like what with me, you will also be doing the projects at the same time. Okay. If you are having your smartphones, okay, then make sure that you note down all the important steps and always take screenshots on the smartphone. Okay, if you are using it, okay, make sure that you don't forget to take screenshots, and make sure that you note down everything what exactly is discussed in the session properly. If you are not getting something, feel free to ask your questions. Okay, I will try to clarify it. Basically what I covered, okay, today, like in the next session, I basically take a revision of all these things. Okay, um, every single concept is very important. Okay, theory is also there, but practical is more. Real time projects you will be doing it. Okay, means I will give you the information about what exactly you are going to be doing in this advanced module in a moment. But the thing is, the more projects you will be doing, okay, the more comfortable you will be getting in terms of doing all this type of activities what you do in the company. Okay, because we are talking about companies network infrastructure management, how you are going to be dealing with the company's network infrastructure, what are the technologies you will be required to know in order to manage the company's network infrastructure. This is what you are going to be learning in this module. So pretty much the basic information, okay, of networking. This is what exactly is required. Okay, this is why exactly we'll be having some brush up about the basics, the foundation of networking first, and after that I will basically discuss the informations what you will be learning practically in this advanced module. Okay, so since today is the introduction session, we are simply just going to be discussing, okay, very foundation related concepts, okay, and an overview of the advanced module, okay, what exactly we'll be doing in the upcoming days as well. So make sure that you note down all these informations properly. Okay. Now, let me just show you everyone, okay, that how exactly the companies, that infrastructure, network infrastructure, it really looks like in practical. In real time, when you are going to work in the organization, that in that organization, what type of network is there and how you are basically going to manage that environment, okay, of network in the organization. So let me just load this particular project over here. Just hold. This is what exactly is the network topology you will be working with in this module, everyone. Okay, as you can see, we are having number of devices over here. All these are devices. Okay, these are of your laptop, desktop machines, what we have in the company. Then we have the router. Okay, Every single companies they are having routers available. Sim- Similarly, they are having servers, they are having switches. This is a switch. All these machines you are going to manage in the company. Okay, but all this management you will be doing in the network environment. Okay, this one exactly we are having intranet, private network is there in the company. We have internet connection coming into the organization. Okay, all these devices you will be doing configurations. Okay, you will do configurations, you will manage all these devices by doing configurations. Okay, how to do all these configurations, what technologies you are going to be using to configure your routers, to configure your switches, to configure your laptop, desktop machines, your server machines, all these things exactly. This particular advanced module covers that. Okay, these are real-time configurations, what you do. Okay, like you can see that this is a router over here. Okay, all these devices they are configured. Okay, we are always configuring it like this. The question is how to do all this configuration. Okay, what technologies we are using in this type of devices to do the configuration, when to use which technologies. Every single companies they have certain requirements. Okay, they have certain policies. We have to know what policy they are having, what type of like what management we have to do in the company. This advanced module basically gives you these informations. Okay, so this is the topology, everyone. Okay, this entire thing what you are seeing, you are having LAN number one, you
Hello,
have
sir.
LAN number two. Yes, tell me.
So I can't see your screen.
Simply just like what disconnect and connect back. Maybe it's a network issue from your side.
Okay.
Just disconnect and connect back. Okay, you will see. Uh, this is your LAN number three, and this is your LAN number four. How many LANs we have total in this topology? Is that
So
there? Four LANs, right?
four.
In all these four LANs, can you see all this number of devices are there? This is your PC0, this is your PC1, this is your laptop
Two.
1, this is your laptop 1, right? So all these machines, it belongs to which LAN? LAN number 1,
Plan
right?
one.
Yes. Similarly, gateway 1 and gateway 2 belongs to which LAN?
Plan two.
LAN number 2,
Two.
right?
Plan two.
And router 1 and gateway 2 belongs to which LAN?
Plan
Plan
three.
three.
LAN 3. Similarly, gateway 2, server 2, switch, this is switch number 4, and server 1 belongs to which LAN?
Plan
Plan
four.
four.
LAN number 4. You have to remember this topology very well. Okay, means network topology always is very important, everyone. Every single company, you will get a network topology. Okay, like a diagram like this, always you will be getting. Okay, they will give you their topology by which you will be able to understand that which device is connected to which device, in which LAN they belong, what is their IP addresses, every single thing will be there. Okay. Always in the company when you are working, you will be working with the network topology of one. And this type of diagram, okay, always they maintain. Okay. Because like in real time, these are hardwares. Your PC, laptops, okay, routers, switches, all these are hardware devices. Okay. And this type of device is getting connected to which device. Okay, these things always it needs to be documented. This is the documentation what we are having. By seeing this topology, you can understand that PC0 belongs to which LAN, what is its IP address on LAN number one, what is the gateway one located, what is where is gateway two is located. Every single thing is properly documented. This is what we are calling as network topology. Okay. So in this topology, you are going to be working in this advanced model. Okay. So what I want all of you to do is
मेरे
memorize the position of all these particular devices in such a way so that even without seeing the topology also, If I don't show you this topology, you should be able to tell me that which device is located where, in which network exactly they belong, what is the name of the device, which device is connected to which device, which ports are used to connect to which ports. You should be able to tell me without seeing this topology as well. Okay. This is what exactly is very important, understanding the topology. Okay, it helps you tremendously in terms of doing configurations in this topology, okay, or in the company's topology. Similarly, if any problem is there in the network, then you can also find the problem and fix the problem. That is like what it is, minus without consumption of much time. Okay, this is what exactly is the main reason behind understanding the topology. The more you understand your network topology, the better you can basically perform your work in the company's network. That is why always make sure that whenever the company is giving you their network topology, okay, make sure that you read it properly, you understand it properly, okay, because not every single time you will be having the time to look at the topology. Okay, if I basically don't show you this topology and if I ask you this question that server 1 is located in which LAN, you should be telling me what?
LAN 4.
LAN
LAN 4.
without seeing the topology itself. If I say that, okay, gateway 1 is connected to which LANs? Gateway 1.
LAN
LAN
1.
1 and
Router.
2.
LAN number 2.
LAN
LAN
1
1
and
and LAN
LAN
2.
number 2, like that. Okay, so this particular topology understanding is very important. Okay, so this is what I want all of you to do, everyone. You can take the screenshot. If you want, you can take the screenshot, but I want you to draw this topology so that you get to know like what this topology a little bit better. Okay, because this is the same topology in which you will be doing your configuration in the advanced mode. Okay. So draw this topology very carefully. Note down all these are port numbers like FS0/1, FS0/2. These are port numbers. Okay. Which port is connected to which device, which port number, what is the IP address? You can see 192.168.100.1 over here. These are shortcut, everyone. I have written it like this 100.2. Actually, the full address is 192.168.100.2. It is the full address. Okay.
Sir, where are the port numbers? Sorry, can you repeat once again?
These are nothing but simply just IP address only. I have written the last two octets. Okay, over here. The full address is 192.168.100.2, 192.168.100.3,
Okay.
192.168.100.4. So if you want to write the full address, you can write it. I have just written it like this. Okay, because LAN number 1, this is the network ID. Okay. What are all these things you will be understanding, everyone? First, we'll cover all this. Okay. Then we'll be starting the configuration. Because without covering this thing, you will not be able to understand any of the configuration. So we'll discuss all about that. Okay. This /24, what exactly are all these things? You will be coming to know. But just draw this topology the same way. Okay. What you were seeing over here on the screen. Just draw this topology and understand every single particular device's location in which network they are belonging. Okay, this is switch number 3. This is switch 3. This is switch number 4. Over here is set. This is laptop 1. This is PC 1. This is PC 0. Okay, all these things just note down, everyone. Okay, just draw this, and this is your network topology. I'm giving you around 10 minutes of time to complete this. Okay, do this properly and carefully, and note down all these port numbers, their IP addresses, okay, all these portions. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
finish this off in 10 minutes. Okay, you are having 10 minutes of time. I'm switching off my mic right now. Okay, I will be exactly communicating with you in line 3. Okay, that's the 3 after 10 minutes. Okay. So simply just note down this.